Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into the fascinating and rapidly evolving world of AI compute. It's a hot topic, isn't it?
Absolutely. The landscape is changing so quickly, and there's so much potential to harness.
So, I heard something interesting about programmability in GPUs and how that shapes model architecture. Can you explain that?
Sure, the programmability aspect means you can optimize how hardware interacts with algorithms, which is crucial for performance.
Right? And if you neglect that programmability, what happens?
You risk losing out on competitive advantages. If you don't expose programmability, your models can't fully utilize the hardware.
That's a powerful point. You mentioned something called a data flow graph compiler. What's that about?
A data flow graph compiler simplifies how data moves through a system. It reduces layers of abstraction to improve efficiency.
So it's not about piling on complexity, but rather finding that sweet spot, right?
Exactly. You want to keep things streamlined. Think about it in three critical layers: front-end, compiler, and runtime.
Got it. And what should those layers accomplish?
The front-end handles input formats like PyTorch. The compiler optimizes operations, and the runtime ensures efficient execution.
Interesting. I've heard about ELU in this context. What's your take?
Oh, ELU can be necessary, but it shouldn't complicate your runtime. Simplicity is key.
And you suggest CUDA as a model for a simpler API.
Yes, a straightforward API like CUDA makes it easier for developers focusing on core functionalities.
If someone starts on this path, where should they focus initially?
They should prioritize having efficient methods, like ensuring ReLU and ELU perform comparably if they're involved.
That's a practical benchmark to keep in mind. Before we wrap up, what do you think the future holds for AI compute?
I believe we'll see breakthroughs in efficiency and accessibility as more companies adopt these principles.
Thanks for sharing such insightful perspectives today. It sounds like it's a thrilling time to be involved in AI.
It really is. Thanks for having me.
And thank you, listeners, for tuning in. Remember, staying informed is key in this fast-paced tech world. See you next time.